guys, it's your girl Dana. Thanks for keeping it real. That's how I'm back. I'm glad for that. Before getting that video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Share this, tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a next friend. Anyways, I'm there with my cousin. See, you must already know and all of that. It's supposed to be a story about summer happen. Anyways, so by honestly, the title down below and I know says the spicy new good challenge. Yeah, we don't really have the Korean thing, but we have some bada. Trust me. And we're gonna use the cup soup because she don't really eat ramen yoga and all that. We're gonna talk a little about let's just get in the video because something about forget down. So before I get in the video, I just want to show them look pepper here. As you can see it in this. I'm gonna draw the picture. I'm gonna hear that name down, you know, so something in but anyways, I just want to comment right now. Only think I gotta do this. So let me tell you what we're gonna do first. Video. The timer where I use 30 minutes. So the first person we're doing 10 minutes with eating this. After I go 3 more minutes to just see if them strong enough. So we're gonna use splash, you know, refreshing. So we don't really want to use too much water because we don't want to act like no soft soup. So what I use, I'm put this on right this so somebody can see everything. We'll use the milk.
Did she just say
we need some milk to get the pepper stuff.
Did she just say not what soft soup?
Them tell me some.
You ever see teriyaki sauce? I saw this look. Watch that.
Them so enough when them there.
But hold on there, so why shouldn't empty out fair one? You see them slackness here. I cheat, she a cheat, you know? Rapper. So we're gonna put that in there too?
Everything. Oh. Wait, can I just go and mix it up?
Let's roll out our black dresses. Social distancing.
That's not bad.
Smell oh.
Them tell me say for you is when them the gloves because it's that strong.
You not see this, right? Oh, she has set me up.
Anyways, what we want to talk about friendships, so girl. In high school, although you're not graduated yet, but you know you experienced 5 years. You're not 6 time, you're big man. Anyways, so what kind of friendship problem you face in high school? Like, what happened between you and your friend? Whatever happened between you and your friend, them we have to say no, so them did see and all of that.
Look at he say, she say. You know the look gossip.
That always happen. Always happen. For me, I feel like one of the biggest problems facing in high school really is friendship, cause look at I get rid. You smell it down?
Ah, so ball go down.
Anyways, yeah. Come on. Start the time, I'm ready. Watch out. Me get nervous at you to don't play. Ready?
Me know me I want them. Hey, so if you look at that smell, you need for the right stuff to smell this. This hot.
Alright, ready?
Any ooze.
And the timer start. Start.
My belly nice. My belly nervous. Put the name on now. Put the name on now. The thing she get over the started. Come. Put the name on now. You first. Yeah. This feel hot, brother.
I want to say Team CC or Team DAINELLE.
This hot girl.
Come!
This hot.
Let's have it.
2,000 years later.
God.
Eat me no swallow. I just put it in my mouth and the.
Alright, so Team CC won that one.
She win.
Me not ask.
She win. She not even in on a pain. Right now, I don't get sorry right now, but you kind of done because I sugar. And please like, comment, and subscribe, share my voice, and I go, oh, me bloated.